And since we know that the Norns are with us, we want to welcome them first and offer them a little something, because as popular as our way is becoming, for many, many years, I would guess that when a child came into the world, that the Norns were not being offered anything for a long period of time. So it's really awesome that we can offer this mead brewed by the Father for ritual purposes. And we welcome our old friends, the Norns, Erdandi and Skald. Erd, the lady of the past. She knows all that ever was. She puts things in the proper place where they belong according to their history and their creation. And we ask her to watch over young Magnus and make sure that everything that he experiences is in line with who he is and who his people are. Verdandi, she watches over the present. She actively weaves the skeins of time as we live it. And she tells us to live right now, that the past and the future don't matter as much as right now and what we do in this exact moment when action is necessary. We ask her to guide him and help him take action when action is needed and be still his hand when it's not. And Skald, the Norn of the future, she weaves the paths for us. She knows our fate. She won't tell us, but we can certainly win her favor. We ask her to favor this child into the future and help predictions and wishes for his well-being to come true. Erdandi, and Skald. Hail the Norns.
Hail the Norns.
And now, traditionally, at this point, the father would make predictions about the awesomeness that this child will have in his future. While the Norns are here, and if they take him into their favor, make those things happen. So, do you want to pour a drink to the Norns and make your predictions? For you. Let this water be a symbol of all that is clean, all that is good, the life-giving force that makes the earth green and sustains us. Who gives this child his name?
I do.
What is it?
Magnus.
Hail Magnus.
Hail Magnus.
Long live Magnus. There you go, buddy. I don't think he likes the water.
Oh man, thank
Welcome
you.
to the Northwoods, Magnus.
Welcome.
You got a lot of crazy uncles. Big hug.
He smiled though.
Thank you so much.
There you go.
Congrats, Chris.
He's chirping too, so it'll be.
And as your keepsake, we'll have to sign these when we get back up to the house.
Awesome.
A little baby book and a gift from Scoble and I.
going to read this out loud.
Okay.
Good luck.
Now I need to know who wrote it. It's to Magnus, on this special day, as you are bestowed your name before the gods, I give you this Havamal. I dedicate its wisdom to you, a child of heathen spirit. May its ancient verses inspire your journey, guiding you towards self-discovery, resilience, and on a deep connection with the world around you. May the words of the High One be your eternal companion, illuminating your path with the wisdom of our ancestors. With love and blessings, Gothi Bodvar and Githya Skol.